Rights is a document some 200 plus years old. We want to make it a reality, infuse it with life for all Tennesseans.
I have seen the ACLU truly respect our community and value the decisions we make for ourselves.
The ACLU never turned their backs on me. They were persistent and very vigilant.
I really love and appreciate the work of the ACLU, and together we're helping to guide children away from prison.
The ACLU has so much credibility and legitimacy. It's a real beacon of freedoms that we enjoy.
The landmark Scopes monkey trial in the mid-1920s was Tennessee's first encounter with the fledgling American Civil Liberties Union. ACLU cooperating attorney Clarence Darrow defended teacher John Scopes in a challenge to a controversial state law banning the teaching of evolution. The trial made many Americans aware of the ACLU for the first time. In April 1968, Dr. Martin Luther King came to Memphis to support striking sanitation workers. This historic telegram documents the ACLU securing representation for Dr. King's efforts after the city denied him the right to stage a march. ACLU cooperating attorney Mike Cody was in court on behalf of Dr. King when they received word that he had been assassinated. That same year, 1968, the Tennessee affiliate of the ACLU was born. Before long, Tennessee's only group defending the Constitution and the Bill of Rights took on the issues of the time. Over the years, the ACLU successfully challenged police spying on citizens engaged in protected political speech, established that the state constitution protects a woman's right to privacy when it comes to abortion, spearheaded a campaign against racial profiling, challenged viewpoint discrimination, which ended the censorship of LGBT websites in public schools, and for the first time ever, got sexual orientation added as a protected category under state laws. The ACLU of Tennessee became a force to contend with during those formative years, not just responding to crises, but strategically and creatively working to expand rights. It did so through advocacy, public education, coalition building, litigation, and legislative lobbying. The ACLU of Tennessee is an affiliate of the National American Civil Liberties Union, which had its beginnings in 1920. Today, it has more than 500,000 supporters nationally, with affiliates in all 50 states. Since its inception, the ACLU of Tennessee has persistently defended free speech and freedom of the press, from the Klan to the LGBT community to Occupy protesters. The ACLU protects everyone's freedom of speech, remaining true to the belief that the right to express ourselves is not only a constitutional guarantee, it is essential to democracy for everyone.
ACLU doesn't pick and choose clients. Our client is the Bill of Rights. When we are protecting freedom of speech and expression, we are protecting freedom of speech and expression for all individuals. What that means is when the ACLU represents the LGBT community and their right to march down a public street, the ACLU also represents the Klan and their right to march down a public street.